Alright guys, what is up? Today I'll be showing this video. I'm gonna be showing you my Nerf arsenal. Sting sometimes. Sting. Alright, but let's just get into it. I started off this big collection, but now we got this. Alright. So I'll work what I got with. Alright. But I'm hoping to get some space right here. Alright, so let's get started. First we start with the pistols. You got some, let's see, I think it's Ultra Tech. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ultra Tech pistols. I got a zombie strike double barrel. Got a nerf arsenal, got a nerf sniper, the sentry nerf sniper. I got the Hellfire. Got at least one of them. Got an amount of 5 painted nerf crossbow. Got my nerf Retaliator Elite, my first one actually. Got a nerf recon stock. Nerf Retaliator Ice Barrel. Sniper barrel right there. Got a Nerf shotgun pistol. Second shot, one of my favorites. My favorite pistol, my favorite of all time. And got my Nerf Big Shot, one of my second favorites. My Nerf Battle Scout, third favorite. Got my Nerf, a few clips. That's about it. Alright. I will sure to have more later. But that's my Nerf arsenal. I hope I get some updates. Fill that little gap in right there. This is Nerf for my Nerf update part 1. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.